Hello guys, today I am going to show how to identify your disk or device whether an MBR file or a GPT file system. Okay, so let me start. So first of all, I am searching here uh, disk in disk partition. Okay, when I have click in, then this partition will show. When I have click here, okay, then this type of pop-up will show regarding all the partition happen within this window. So from there, I can simply observe that this is my file name C, this is my E, G. So all one by one, all the drive. Okay, so file system is a NTFS. Okay, and then last one is FAT. What is this? Regarding this topic, I will discuss another topics in. If I see can hear NTFS system. If I right click on this in disk and go to the properties, when I will go here, I am click on this volume, then I can see the partition style MBR. Okay, so from there I can find out my disk whether it is MBR or GPT. Okay, so this is the procedure to find out whether it is MBR or GPT. Now, the what are the important of this of this in GPT or MBR system? In case of during installation of any Windows 10, then we need to create a bootable drive. So in there we need to know how to create bootable pen drive and how to select GPT or MBR system. Okay, so I am going to start one bootable to prepare a bootable drive. Okay, just I am click on this refuge and click yes. This type of pop-up will show. Through this way we can prepare a bootable pen drive for installing of any Windows. So this is my pen drive. Okay, 16 GB pen drive. Now I am selecting the ISO file, and when I have click here, then this is my the ISO file window for the installation in Windows 10. Approximately size is 5.42 GB. Okay, when I have click here and open, now this type of pop-up will show, and there have partition schedule two type MBR and GPT. So for this selection we have to know whether it is GPT or MBR. My all the system is in GPT style, so that's why I will select it, and accordingly I should start to prepare a bootable pen drive. Okay, so this is the procedure. Okay, to find out. Okay, another thing we have to know or small details regarding the GPT and MBR. Okay, so GPT and MBR system. So if I see in case of there are we can see the our laptop or desktop system mainly two type legacy and EFI system. Now the also see the style MBR style and the GPT style, which I already shown you. Okay, so in case of the dig system, if I see, then there are two type of dig system. One is the NTFS and another is FAT. Okay, so there we can see the partition legacy and EFI. This legacy will support to the MBR file, and EFI system is support GPT. Okay, so if I conclusion regarding this particular system, I don't go to the details regarding, just I want to identify this is the proper and the ultimate solution, or this proper relation between the system and style. Legacy system, which is the MBR style connect to it, and this one is the NTFS, and FI system is connected with the GPT style and FAT system. So where I get the FAT system and NTFS which I have shown. So this is the procedure and proper relation between them. Proper all the system within this in any desktop partition systems or this or whole over of this laptop system. Okay, this is the main fundamental. Okay, so through this you can understand this to this thinking. Okay, this is the main thinking. So close here.